Hello kids, ma'am is back again with some more creativity and learning fun. Today we are going to learn about use of this and that. So let's get started. This and that are called demonstrative. If the thing is near to us, we will use this. If the thing and noun are far away from us, we'll use that. So let me give you some more example with real life. So here are some things which is very common for you. This is my pencil, this is near to me, and this is my eraser. You know, you all have it, and this is a glue. Let me give you some example with sentences. See, this is a horse. I am using this because it is near to me. And can you see that elephant? Yes, that is far away from me. So I am using arrow to point it. And now that is an elephant. Now let me give you some example with sentences. Dash is a pen. This pen is near to me. What should I use? This. Yes, you are right. This is my pen. Now, if the thing is far away from us, what will we use? That. That is a bird. That is a bird. So, let me introduce you to more friends of yours. If there are many things in front of you and you will use these. These are mangoes. If the plural nouns are far away from you, you will use those. Those are bananas, those are markers, those are animal cutouts. I am using those because those are far away from me. Let's put these demonstrative in the right place. Mangoes are near to us, these are mangoes. Bananas are far away from us. I hope this concept is clear to you. Take some real life example from your home, make your video and send it to me. Keep smiling, keep learning.